What's good with y'all? What's good? Tuning in for another video. I'm over here at my cousin's house. He out here working, getting it in, working on the beast. Y'all saw that car. He just went to V8. My friend Quay. He just went from this old V6. Said he was tired of it. Got him a V8. Put a V8 in here. You know, it helped pulling the rims and all that stuff too. So it's a 305, nice running motor. So he plan on hooking the AC up and all that. Cuzzo did the install. I know y'all probably saw it on their channel. Now he putting the gauges in the car and finishing it up pretty much. Be ready to go. And y'all know Cuzzo just hit the dyno. Just went to the dyno. Saw a good number. Bad street car, that's all I can say. I know he said he gonna reveal y'all the results soon. I forgot, probably next video or something like that. But bad street car. Very bad street car, I can say that. Hey, looks can be deceiving, man. Don't go on looks, I can say that much. Do not go on look. But it's gonna be a nice car when he painting all that. He just getting the drivetrain right first. I mean, that's how we like to do it. Drivetrain first, accessories and everything else last. Well, exterior, like, you know, paint, rims and all that stuff last. But Dolo coming. Oh, let me show y'all what I got, man. My other project. My pop gave it to me. Y'all be wanting to know what I got going on at the house too, my home project. So this what I just got. Weight bench. Pop got a home gym down there. He gave me some weights and stuff, cause I'm about to buy some more stuff. Have a whole gym. So he been had this for a long time or whatever, but I'm about to have it recovered, repadded. Gonna paint this up. Gonna look all nice. Like I said, we already getting the garage together. Cause y'all know y'all be noticing, boy. It be folk be noticing stuff. Be noticing. Y'all see we making changes, but getting that ready, man. Especially with all that virus stuff going on. I ain't got nothing but time, which I had time anyway. So we got the garage. I mean, not the garage. We got the driveway getting extended. Getting ready for a pad, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the shop right there. And then I'm put the storage building in the back. But I'll tell y'all all about that. But I don't know, we're gonna see what we got going on today. See what we get into. Like I said, probably just a general vlog, give y'all something to watch. Ain't nothing going on too much, but all I can say, y'all just stay tuned in. We're gonna see what's going on. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. Y'all can probably tell, morning and everything. But I wanted to originally, what you got? I told y'all all type of wildlife out here. Got a woodpecker somewhere. All type of, y'all think I just be paranoid for no reason. But anyway, it's the next day. Like I said, it was my original plan to put this in the video anyway. But like I said, Rick got over here a little late. And yeah, y'all probably wonder whose car is this. This is Rick's car. Pretty much what Rick wanted for the car. I almost bought it. But I mean, he looked out for him. We got the motor and transmission. So this is what the motor and transmission coming out of. It's a great running car and all that. Give y'all a little history on it. Man, this car originally was gray. Rick been doing this stuff a long time. And y'all don't know who Rick is. This is my boy Don't Panic. Got the clean candy teal Monte Carlo. I'm talking about Bad Boy Nasty. Y'all seen him in my videos, and most of y'all probably subscribe to his channel. But this is Rick's car. One of the cars he had. And or should I say guy, it's still a car. I bought the drivetrain. But like I said, he done had the car a long time. I'm talking about this car done seen so many rims. I'm talking about he done had 6s on it. Rick had 6s before, back when everybody ride 24s and 22s. Like, no lie, I remember it was gray. Had Harley Davidson on the side. And back when themes and stuff was in the theme cars. Then he painted it green. He said see it and fade and stuff, but the car itself done went through it. So I think Rick just finna scrap the car, get rid of it, cause the chassis has went through it, you know. But you know, then he had it green, it had John Deere on it and all that. But yeah, y'all probably see the hood, the car hood, and like, man, what's in this car? It ain't nothing special. I think he left the hood pop. So y'all, I know y'all probably been dying to know, man, what's going in Big Meech? And I keep telling y'all it's a regular motor. Then I crank it up for y'all too. Cause it's over here. Cause we about to get started on it. Boy, this thing here weigh, I forgot the cow hood, boy, this thing weigh 1,000 pounds. This hood weigh a straight 1,000 pounds for real. Let me see, y'all. I'm trying to record and do all this. This bad boy heavy. Let me get this hood open first, then I'm gonna check back in. Alright. So we back. Got the hood up. 1,000 pound hood. But yeah, y'all see this is it. This is what going in Meech. Gonna clean it up, son. It ain't nothing special. It's actually a 312. Y'all probably like, what is a 312? It's a 305, but it's bored and stuff. That's what the paperwork called for. It's actually a crate engine he bought a while back, but it still run good. So it's a 312 700 R4 transmission. And I said this is a perfect engine to go in here right now just to push this car around. And I'm gonna show y'all what I've been trying to teach people, the science of putting big wheels on the car. Cause some people ride like that. They got a 305 right now or whatever, and they can't afford to go get a engine built or a transmission built and all that. So if you're working with this right here, trying to run wheels and stuff, I'm gonna show y'all how it works and how much strain it take off the motor. Cause this car got a 410 gear in the rear end, which gonna take a lot of strain off. So a 410, people saying that's a big gear. And I've seen so many discussions on Facebook in these groups and stuff, talking about the gears and you shouldn't do this and you shouldn't do that. But people don't know, like the overdrive gonna chop the ratio down, and the taller wheel and tire diameter gonna chop the ratio down too. And Big Meech gonna be a perfect example of how that works right now. Y'all gonna be able to see how the car ride, what RPM I'm cruising at. Cause I'm gonna put a tack in the car just to show y'all what the RPMs will be at. Not that I need a tack for this, especially not a racing tack, but I'm gonna put one in it just to show y'all that, and it's gonna end up having a tack in it anyway. So when I get ready to put the big block in it, it's going down. But like I said, this car don't need to be sitting, man. I done had it. I bought it back 2 years ago. It has officially been 2 years ago since I found this car and bought it back. Been 9 years total since I even driven the car. So I mean, it just made sense. And Rick, man, he looked out for me. I mean, I tell you, he gave me a deal on it. I know that. But what you expect? I mean, we like fam, man. He like family and stuff. But like I said, I'll just show y'all the car, inside of the car, and I'm gonna show y'all how good this thing run though. This what got me. How good this car run. I see Rick got a little tack in here. Let me see. It ain't that one. Look at that. Man, okay. Why? Don't get no better than that. It don't get no better than that. Drop of the key. Drop of the key. Why would I not? Why would I not put that in there? Run like a sewing machine. Only thing I'm gonna do, like I said, y'all been keeping up with these updates. I'm taking the throttle body out because you have to have all that wiring. Let me cut it off. Run like a sewing machine, man. I ain't skipping or nothing. I ain't skipping or nothing. I'm telling you. Bad boy ain't skipping or nothing. Let me see. Let me see. Should we warmed up now. Man, look what? Hey man, finna ride. That's all I can say. We about to ride. We about to ride, buddy. Big Meech about to be back on the road. I'm telling y'all. But yeah, this is it. I know a lot of people want to see the engine. I don't know. I hope people weren't thinking nothing radical. I keep it real in my video. I don't do no clickbait, none of that. See, it's 312. That's what the paperwork called for. Throttle body heads. Y'all see? Center bolts. A lot of people get these confused too. Let me teach y'all something about that. A lot of people think, my bad. A lot of people be thinking, the center bolt, all center bolt heads are Vortex heads. They're not. I'm gonna teach you how you know you gotta set a vortex head, cause some people be getting got, especially on Facebook Marketplace. Vortex heads in the head, they only have 4 bolt holes, two in the back, 2 in the front. If you see some center bolt heads and they got bolt holes in the middle, or you see an engine and it got the bolt holes in the middle, it's not vortex. It's not a vortex, or at least it's not vortex heads. So that's how you look out for it. And the bolts go straight down like this too. They don't go in at an angle. They go straight down through the intake, not like this. You gotta have a special made intake. So that's how you can tell. So don't get got like that. Vortex heads do not have bolts in the center. So that's how you tell. But I'm going to carburetor. I could transfer all of this. Literally, I could transfer all this over, but I ain't want all this wiring on the Meech. Y'all know it ain't nothing on the hood. So all this gonna be coming off. It ain't gonna look nothing like this in there. It's gonna be just completely clean. It really gonna look like I got a lot of space, cause I do, since Meech engine bay so clear and all the wires took out of it. It's gonna look, the motor gonna look so small in there, man. I ain't seen a small block in Meech in some years. But yeah, that's it. And when Rick pulled, he gonna start pulling the motor today. He said his plan is to have this motor pulled today and have it in Meech and run it within 3 days. Cause I mean, this why he working now. This why he working. If he did it on the weekend, he'll have it done the same day. Cause Rick good with work. Like I said, if you want something done, he build engines and all that. He do everything. So if you want something done, hey, hit Rick up. Go to his YouTube channel. Don't Panic. Don't Panic is his YouTube channel. So go just type it in. His car gonna come up, or type in Don't Panic Money Carlo. It'll come up. But yeah, that's it. This is it, man. Y'all see it run good. See, got transmission cooler. I got one on Meech, but I might see if Rick let me get there. He probably will. He ain't gonna use it. Cause the one on Meech I was gonna put on Dolo. Cause Meech got a bigger one than that. But yeah, man, I mean, much love to Rick, man. He put me back in the game so I can ride. I'ma clean Meech out. Y'all see I got a crate, bins and stuff in there. I'ma clean Meech out, put a radio in it, cut the deck again. I'm probably gonna throw a TV back in the roof, car. I got that big hole in my headliner for where they took the TV out. For my kids, man, they always like looking at TV, cause they love riding their wifey to knowledge just cause I got a TV in it. So I'm probably gonna do that just for them. But while I got this car running, trust me, y'all gonna see the all the stuff getting done. The wildwood brakes, rear disc brake conversion, the big rotors, all of that, suspension, everything finna be new. I'm telling you, all while this 312 cubic inch motors in here, all that stuff gonna be getting done. So by the time it come time to put the big block in there, Meech's gonna be ready. Meech's chassis gonna be set up. I'm telling you, I'm gonna take it out the frame too. I'm gonna take it out the frame, so I'm gonna have all the stuff on there, or either I'm gonna buy all the stuff. Since I'm gonna take it out the frame, I'm gonna buy all the stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and pay who I need to pay for the labor, and then I'm gonna go take it over to Jesse at Lawless Street Cars, and I'm gonna take this whole car out the frame, cause this a car I'm gonna keep. I wouldn't normally do that. I wouldn't normally go to that extent for these type of car, but this a car I'm gonna keep, so I'm gonna take it out the frame or whatever, and either have it painted, cause I don't think Jesse do powder coat. But powder coat is better. I would prefer powder coat. But yeah, I'm doing the whole 9. I ain't just talking. People ought to be done figure that out by now. I'm not just talking. So yeah, man, that's it. That's it, man. We got Meech coming back. It's finna go down. I can't wait. Hunt me down some wheels now. Cause either I'm buying some 6s. I'm buying some 6s or some 24s. Just something to ride around on. And if I get some 24s, they're going on Meech or whatever. Just something to lower the rear end gear ratio. Chop it down some. So either some 6s or some 4s. But if I get some 6s, cause Meech sent low. People probably in the comment, man, no, get some 6s. Meech is sent low, man. So either way, if you do a car right, these cars look good on 4s or 6s or 8s. But if not, I'm gonna get some 6s and put them on Dolo and put the 8s on Big Meech for the time being. Cause like I said, if I can't, if I have to raise the car back up too much for Dolo, I'm not going through all that to put them 8s on there. Cause I'd rather for the car to perform on the wheels or perform on the hard tires rather than killing the suspension. Like that'll defeat the whole purpose of me putting them shocks on there. Cause the shocks won't work properly if I stretch them out too much. But yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll keep y'all updated with every step of the way. And that's it, man. Like I said early in the morning, I'm finna go ahead and get some breakfast, man. I came here to do this clip so I can drop this video to y'all today, give y'all something to watch. So I'm gonna catch y'all on that video. I'm out.